this building? I wonder who lives here. Go away! Huh? Did you see that? It's a wizard. Let's go and say hello. Oh wait, there are logs blocking the door. Ooh, I have an idea.
Hulk helps move heavy logs.
Go away!
Hulk angry.
You're funny.
Hulk smash!
I'm finally free! Look at your face! Hey, get back here, wizard! You can't catch me! Uh-oh. My power! There we go! Oops! Uh-oh! Oh no! What have I done? Run away!
You can't stop me.
Run away! Oh no!
Oi, Funlings!
Yes?
I'm in charge now, and I want you to bring me all the food on the island, so I can turn it all into fish!
But I don't like fish.
What was that?
I said, yes, Mrs. Witch. Oh, if only the Wizard Funling came back to help us.
Come on, Funlings, get me more food!
So the Funlings slowly collected all of the food they could find.
Now, where shall I put all the food once I've turned it all into fish.
Hello? Ah! That pretzel is moving! And talking!
Ah ha ha ha!
Surprise!
What?
Thanks, Wizard Funling.
So now, whenever anyone needs a crazy wizard funling, they know exactly where to find him.